பித்து விட்டுணை நேர் பித்தனாக்கினையன் பித்தம் தெளி மருந்தருணாச்சலா. In this video, I thought I will speak about Kundalini Shakti to whatever little understanding I have on the topic. So this is most often talked about topic in the spiritual circles. There are many teachers offering classes to uplift the Kundalini Shakti. There are people who report experiences. So that is a topic that cannot be ignored actually. If you see the verse what I started with today, the Pittu Vittunenir Pittanakinayan Pittam Teli Marund Arunachala. So let us take the last sentence, Pittam Teli Marund Arunachala. So why that is relevant here is because Kundalini Shakti, it is very closely linked with our semen, our sexual energy potency. We as human beings, we have been given this treasure actually of the force, the life force, which is the in the gross form, it is the semen. But we don't know how to handle it actually. So there is a famous Siddha who explained our ignorance. He was telling like in தமிழ் நந்தவனத்தில் ஒரு ஆண்டி நாலாறு மாதமாய் கேட்டு பெற்றாண்டி குயவனை கேட்டு பெற்றாண்டி. I don't remember the exact verse. கூத்தாடி கூத்தாடி போட்டுடை தாண்டி. That is like this body, what we have got is a treasure actually, but we don't use it to the right potential. We misuse the body, and then in the due course we lose it, rendering it useless, and then we take another body. So that is why கூத்தாடி கூத்தாடி போட்டுடை தாண்டி. So now this force, which is the sexual energy, you cannot do anything about it. Either you have to use it for a divine purpose, or you have to spend it the lustful way. Either one of this. Of course, the devotees have a medium path, right? We get into a grihastha life and we lead that. So any attempt to raise your Kundalini Shakti, the pranic force, without observing the complete bodily celibacy will be a dangerous attempt. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa has told that if you observe complete celibacy for 12 full years, there is a nerve called Pingala Nadi that gets activated in your body, and you will be close to self-realization. My own Guru Lakshmana Swami, Saradamma, Ramana Maharshi, so they have maintained that Kundalini Shakti is a force, it's a enormous force that has arisen from the self, and still it is all a mental phenomenon. Even if the Kundalini Shakti reaches the Sahasrara, it has to come back to the heart center, right side of the heart center, that is called as Amrita Nadi, for liberation to take place. In a way, people have misunderstood Osho, because Osho has also clearly said that this passion of sexual energy is a wrong assurance of a highest phenomenon which never happens. So one is bound to again and again experiment it. So that is what majority of us are doing with this body. So Kundalini Shakti practitioners has to practice celibacy. They have to close the air on the lower chakras. They have to uplift the prana shakti through each of the chakras. It comes to Manipuraha, and then it comes to Anya chakra, and then it goes to Sahasrara. So all that has to happen. In our current scenario, there are probably very few teachers who are genuine to teach us how to uplift this Kundalini energy. But it is good to know about this. Why I am telling is because the sexual energy which you have got with you, it's an enormous power that has been given to us. We don't know how to use it. So we have been wandering hither and there, like carrying that force, like that force is expressed as lust form, desire for money, desire for power, whatever way. So that's a beautiful force. So I would equate this Kundalini Shakti as the serpent power that is sitting in the lower chakras for most of us. That is in the base of the spine and below. It is most of us, it stays in the lower chakra, and Arunachala is the best place where Shakti herself has merged into Shiva. So even if we do not know anything of Kundalini Shakti, all you do is you visualize that whatever inherent power you have, it is merged in Arunachala Shiva that will bestow supreme peace. Though I have told all this elaborated, I myself, a normal devotee, not even a normal devotee, a normal human being with all my desires. So there is nothing special with me because simply because I am telling all this. So I like the verse of Tirumular, and I again tell Kurudum Kurudum Kurutatamadi Kurudum Kurudum Kuri Vizhindavare. It's like we are blind leading another blind, right? So approach a teacher, and if you have past samskaras, if you have already done Kundalini Shakti sadhana in your previous lives, if the teacher sees that and if he imparts the teaching, demonstrating it in the physical way, you stay with him and learn it. Otherwise, don't experiment Kundalini Shakti. ஊர்சூற்றுளம்பிடா துணைக்கண்டடங்கிட உன் அழகை காட்டு அருணாச்சலா. அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா. அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.